Today we're going to replace the cylinder head circuit board on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. Remove the 2 screws from either side of the cap. Remove the 4 shoulder screws using the provided Allen key. You can now remove the cap. Unplug the fan motor wire and spark wire. Then remove the cylinder head by twisting. This is personal preference and this can be achieved by keeping the cylinder head in the nailer. Using a star drive, unscrew the screw that is holding the cylinder head circuit board into place. You can now remove this part and replace it if necessary. Tighten the cylinder head circuit board with the screw. Place the cylinder head back into position if removed, along with the fan motor wire and spark wire. Position the cap back over the cylinder head until flush. Secure with the 6 screws. That's how you replace the cylinder head circuit board on a Paslode IM65 Nailer. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.